everyone. Today's topic we are going to talk about the Devops Engineer resume. Okay, so how can I create a resume? Okay. So in the following slides, I'm going to introduce part of the resume, but you can use it. You can make your own design. Okay, but I just put all the the contents here. Okay. Let's start from the introduction, okay? So you can use your own template, okay? Uh, you can use your own template. So on this slides, I'm just give you some like a sample about the DevOps engineer, the resume, some components, which part is the important thing, okay? Okay, see the introduction. Okay, the introduction is very important. So you can put like this. Okay, DevOps engineer with N plus years of hands-on experience in architecting, automating, and optimizing mission critical deployment over large infrastructure. Okay, you can say that you proficient with configuration management tools and in developing CI/CD pipelines. Okay. So the starting with these three lines very impressive. Okay, because you are not just talking about tools, you are talking about architecting, automation, and optimization. Okay. So you're talking about the configuration management tools. Obviously, you know about infrastructure code, okay? At the same time, you also have the developing CI/CD pipelines, okay? I think this is very good start for the DevOps engineer resume, okay? Okay, the next slide is about education, okay? Education you can figure out yourself, okay? You can figure out yourself. So the next one. So the experience. So in the experience part, okay, maintained gate workflow for version control like source code management, development and maintained automated CI/CD pipelines for code deployment using Jenkins. Okay, provisioned service and deployed features use Puppet, Shift, and Ansible. Okay, so remember this part. Okay, you only mention which tools you use. Okay, you only mention what you used before. Okay, what you used only. Okay, build and deploy the Docker containers for implementing microservice architecture from a monolithic architecture. Okay, this is just a template, guys. Okay, you can just definitely modify a little bit, but you have to mention, the kind of the main point. Make sure whatever you're writing is something what you work on. Okay. Orchestrate Docker container cluster use Kubernetes Docker Swarm. Okay, so next one is the skill. The skill what I mentioned is knowledge of Linux and the scripting language like Python, Ruby. Okay, proficiency with various development, testing, and the deployment tools like Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Puppet, Shift, Ansible, Nangers. Okay, good understanding of DevOps concepts like infrastructure as a code. Okay, experience in developing CI/CD pipelines. That's how you can make the impressive resume. Okay. If you have any question, please go ahead comment in my comment box. Okay, I will give you another example of the experience. Okay, this is another example. You also so this position is a junior DevOps engineer. Okay, so the technical in this position I used, this is an example like put a tech you used. Okay, AWS, GitHub, Docker, Maven. 1 second, Maven, Ansible, Jenkins, Kubernetes, Splunk, New Relic, scraping. Okay. Okay, so in this one, what I did, okay, this is what's your experience, okay? Continuously design, update, and monitor the CI/CD pipeline in infrastructure as a code environment, okay? Update, maintain, and monitor Linux shell scripting, Ansible playbooks, and Chef cookbooks, okay? Work with the software engineering manager to improve software development, okay? Development develop and promote standard operating procedure and creating procedure for efficiency, okay? This is another example of the experience, okay? You can put this, all this, okay? You put your own things, okay? Okay, so this is the last page I'm gonna talking about. This is project, okay? I think it's not necessary in the resume because yeah, because we don't have enough space on the resume. If you don't have like 10 years experience, you don't have to put like 2-3 pages, okay? So you just put like 1 page. Try to make 1 or 1.5. Yeah, most likely put just 1 page is enough. Okay, so but this project you can mention when you do interview, okay, not on your resume. That's my suggestion, okay? For example, you can say, okay, automated build and deployment process with Jenkins and Maven, eliminating of manual work, reduce human error, and speed up production process. You can put all this, or your automated configuration and updating for 200 plus servers use Ansible, increased customer satisfaction, or designed, rolled out, and management of 5,000 hosts with Ansible infrastructure, okay? Yeah, you can put all this, okay? Okay, this is a brief introduction of how to make resume. So the first part, you put an introduction. The 3 lines very important. The education, put whatever you have, and the experience. Okay, but make sure here only put something you have the insurance. Okay, if you don't have it, don't put it. Okay, and this is the skill. Yeah, that's it. So only this part, this 4 part, you can make it 1 page. I think that's enough. I mean, if you don't have 10 years, like 8 years, like experience, you don't have to put like more than 2 years, more than 2 page or 3 page, okay? Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good time and happy learning. Thank you.